Hi everyone, Sean here for StockMarketFutures.com. Just bringing you a quick video on some online trading, specifically for Canada stocks or Canadian stocks that are listed on the TSX. But this is just going to be a basic run through. Now, unfortunately for right now, I just have my Forex platform. I'm using the MetaTrader 4 platform right now, and I just have my Forex up as an example for now, just because it is a basics kind of how to place an order, what orders there are, and what you should be looking for based on those orders. So I do have a chart up here, and it doesn't matter if this is a stock or Forex, the same thing applies, the same general educated guess. Where do you think the stock price is going to go from here? Now for me personally, having gone from all the way up here down to the bottom right hand of the chart, this is in a downtrend. So really I would not be looking to go long, and I would be looking for some short opportunities. Now when I say short, I mean I expect the stock price or the actual asset to decrease in value. So you'll make your money as the asset decreases in value, at which point, once you've accumulated the profit target that you've set out according to your trade plan, then you can take your profits. So depending on your platform, you can either buy or sell, and as I said, to short you'd be selling, to go long you would be buying. Basically you would click in and there you go, there's your order placed. Now I am just going to close that right now because that's not an order that I want to place. Now, and as that stock would go down, you would get more money. So say, for instance, we were trading, I'm going to turn the play button off. Say for instance we were trading, let's say right there, why not? We can see that the downtrend is intact. There's 3 points right here. You could do a trend line right there. You also have a lower support line here as well. And you say, okay, I'm going to take a short based on the fact that it's going to be going lower than this point here. Now speaking of it, numerically it's at 0.82492, and we'd expect it to go lower. So we would place the trade. I'm just going to lower this line here if I can. There we go. So we expect it to go lower here. So we initiate our trade, and then time goes on. And you can see as time progresses, we end up with two areas where we could have profit from this trade. Right here, as I put this line here, you've got one here, which was maybe 2 or 3 days after the trade was actually placed, and then it bounced back up, down into a profitable area, hit the resistance again, and back down. So again, that trade here could have yielded around $752 to about $877, depending on your your specific risk income or your risk profile, how much you're willing to risk on your trading account. Basically, a good formation or a good kind of telltale sign is to never risk more than 2% of your trading account on one trade. And I have a lot more information that I can go into about that, but you'll have to check on the site for that. This is obviously to get you guys tempted to come over to the site to check to see what we have on StockMarketFutures.com. And you can also send me comments or emails and I can answer your questions as well. So that's just a basic run through of a short. I may do another one based on a long, but basically you're just reversing the principles. You're expecting the asset to increase in value, and there's a lot more criteria that we go through in order to structure the trade. But I just wanted to get a quick, brief video out just because I know there hasn't been one for a long time, and I wanted to just get one out for everyone who's reading our forums, reading our posts, and again, it's always appreciated. Thank you very much.